Okay, I know what you're thinking. Another box, seriously, yes. I know. I couldn't wait to do my last unboxing video until this package came because I just was so excited I needed to open all of the books. So I just decided to do this one separately. This is a box that I ordered from Not Consumed Ministries, I don't know, a week and a half ago or so, and it came yesterday, and I really wanted to open it, but I decided to save it for you. So let's go ahead and open it up. If you are new here, my name is Jerilyn. I am a homeschooling mom of 3 kids, ages 10, 4, and 1. And currently we are just finishing up our 6th year homeschooling. And I have a daughter finishing 5th grade. And because of that, since we are finishing our Sunlight History Bible Literature program here in the next few weeks, that is how my daughter does her student Bible reading. And so I thought that since, sorry, that's kind of loud. I thought that since we wouldn't really have any specific Bible study to do over the summer, that I would get her something from Not Consumed, because I've never ordered from them before. And so this is the first time. So there's just some paper to keep everything protected and a cute little booklet, their catalog. They actually have a lot of options. I could probably spend a ton of money at Not Consumed, but for this time, the first time, I went ahead and just got this one book set. This is the Grow Spiritual Disciplines series. And if you haven't heard of Not Consumed Ministries, I would be really surprised. This is probably nothing new to you, but they have really great Bible studies. We actually have the Faithipedia, but I didn't actually order it, so I can still say this is my first personal order. I got it when a friend of mine was ordering, but this is a series of Bible studies, and I really think that this little box is so cute. It even tells you in here the suggested order of study. And so you're supposed to do, there's 5 studies and you're supposed to do them in this order. So it comes with this little cleaning cloth, it looks like, for the binoculars. I know. There's a little sticker pack, super cute. You can see those. And then, ooh, these are fun. These are special highlighters that the kids can use. So this particular box is for the youth level. They have 2 different levels for this study. This is spiritual disciplines. It says that they have a junior level, and I believe that one was for 8 to 12-year-olds. And then youth was basically 12 and over. Then there's also a parent guide. I did not get the parent guides because I wanted my daughter to go through these books on her own. But it is an option if you want to do it kind of family style. A lot of times how people use these, they have different levels. So some of the Bible studies have like little kids all the way up through high school, as far as the notebooks that you can buy. And so then basically what you would do is everybody would do it themselves, and then you'd come together after everybody's done their personal study and then do the family part together with the parent guide. But I decided that I just wanted my daughter to do these on her own. I think she'll really enjoy that. And so I just bought her the youth one, and she's going to be 11 here pretty soon, but I still bought her the youth one because when I read the description of the next one down, the junior, with like having pictures and like drawing pictures and things like that, I didn't think she'd really be that into it. And she's a little bit more advanced when it comes to her Bible knowledge. We've been doing Bible here in our home for, pretty much since she was born. So she just likes to have the little bit older of a set or whatever for her Bible studies. So that's why I got the youth level instead of junior. And so then you pull out the Bible studies, and it looks like they're already in order. Yes, okay. So we have, this one's called Amen, and it is a Bible study on prayer. And there are some little extra goodies in the back. This one is Developing a Quiet Time, Grow the Fruitful Habit of Time with God. So there's that one. And it also comes with some goodies in the back. These are so fun. This one is Seek Him, How to Study the Bible. More goodies. This one is Well Done, Stewarding the Good Things God Gives Us. There's that. And then this last one is called Shine, Learning to Share Jesus with Others. So that one's really cute. If you would like to see inside of these, I'm happy to do a flip through about them. We haven't ever done any Bible studies from Not Consumed yet. We've just done the Faithipedia, which is kind of an apologetics course. I really liked it. It was a 36-week course, and it doesn't have a teacher's manual or anything. You just flip the chart and you do the next lesson on the next day. But it was 5 days a week for 36 weeks, and it was all about the Old Testament. And we really liked the parts that we used. We did about just a little bit over half of it, and we still might do a little bit more this summer, actually, as part of our kind of family Bible time. And then this will be for my daughter's personal Bible time. We like to kind of do both. So I'm really excited about this, especially the one about developing a habit of time with God, the developing a quiet time. So I think these will be really great, and I'm really excited to use them. Since my daughter will definitely want to look through all of this on her own, I'm just going to put it all back in the box as neatly as possible so that she can unbox it herself. Hopefully I got it all in the right order. I'm really excited to use this spiritual disciplines series, and if she does really like it, we might just keep getting her other studies from Not Consumed. Oh, that was a lot. Okay, so if you are interested in learning more about Not Consumed, I will leave a link to their website down below. It looks like they have a lot of really cool resources in their what do you call this, catalog. I did notice that they have added lots of programs recently. I get their emails, and they have started doing like preschool and kindergarten materials. I know they have really cool planners that I wouldn't mind trying. They also, I noticed, have this music curriculum that I hadn't seen before, so I might need to look into that. So yeah, you might want to check out all of their resources. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I hope that you will stick around here at our homeschool table, and we'll see you next time.